we present you the KoinKoin App, a crypto exchange and wallet. At KoinKoin, your crypto is fully insured against theft, hacking, or loss of details. You can easily create your account on the KoinKoin platform. Once you have signed up, you need to verify your account by uploading your ID and proof of address. Easily place trades by hitting Quick Trade tab at the bottom of the screen using local payment methods, or make cash and crypto deposits and withdrawals by hitting the Wallet tab. In a few clicks you can place stop orders, limit orders, or just straight market orders on the Pro Trade tab. It is very simple and convenient, even for the new crypto users. You can also get a general overview of the market, value history charts and infographics of the cryptocurrencies just by hitting the Market tab at the top right of the screen. And you can even start earning up to 500 USDT a week by sending referrals to your friends. KoinKoin. Borderless Africa, borderless world.